Happy morning, my dear students. Welcome back to my class. Today's quote: if you salute your duty, you no need to salute anybody. But if you pollute your duty, you have to salute everybody. A famous quote by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So this video deals with the poem Patriotism, 5th English, Unit 3, prepared and presented by Miss Swati. Before going into it, let's know some hard words in the poem Patriotism. So here is the glossary. Boundaries, a dividing line. Core, our true self, value system. Integrity, the state of being wholesome. Foreign, distant, like a part of a different thing. Proud, feeling honor. Here is the poem for you. Let me read the poem first. Patriotism. Will we live in a country without inner boundaries? Will we treat everyone alike, or will we show our dislike? Will we stick to our core, or will we become foreign? Yes, we love our nation, divided when seen as persons. Yes, we have different language, yet our integrity shouldn't damage. Will we make our mother proud, or be with her like the crowd? Learn how to be kind and love each of our child. Before we go to the explanation, just listen and sing the poem along with me. Will we live in a country without inner boundaries? Will we treat everyone alike, or will we show our dislike? Will we stick to our core, or will we become foreign? Yes, we love our nation, divided when seen as persons. Yes, we have different language, yet our integrity shouldn't damage. Will we make our mother proud, or be with her like the crowd? Will we make our mother proud, or be with her like the crowd? Learn how to be kind and love each of her child, and love each of her child. Have you enjoyed singing with me, students? Okay. Let me explain each stanza in the poem. In this poem, Patriotism, the poet is depicting his dream country. What is the meaning of patriotism? Patriotism, or national pride, is the feeling of love, devotion and sense of attachment to a homeland more than any others, and being proud of it. First stanza. Will we live in a country without inner boundaries? Will we treat everyone alike, or will we show our dislike? Do you know which country we belong to? Yes, it is India. India is one country, but it is divided as many inner boundaries. India is divided as 28 states and 8 union territories. The people of India also divided upon the languages they speak. In India, there are different language people, lot of caste and creed. People are divided upon the work they do, language they speak, caste they belong to, and the culture they follow. Though India is one country, people are separated. Though we are different people, speak different language, we are children of one mother. Will we treat everyone alike, or will we show our dislike? Are we treating each and everyone with same mankind, or will we show our dislike? Here the poet is showing a strong wish that we should live in a country which has no inner boundaries, and we should treat each and everyone with proper respect. This is not only the poet's wish, it's our wish also. Isn't it, children? Next stanza. Will we stick to our Koran, or will we become foreign? Yes, we love our nation, divided when seen as persons. Every nation has specific culture, tradition, set of norms, and the lifestyle of people also differs from one country to other country. So, the poet is asking us that will we respect the values and systems of our country, or will we live like a foreign without respecting like a part of different country people? We should respect the system and values of our country. Yes, we love our nation, divided when seen as persons. Yes, we everybody love our nation, divided when seen as persons. We are all united when we say India, Indian. But where does the division between us occur? When we see as separate persons, we are divided on the basis of religion, caste, and creed. Let's move to the next stanza. Yes, we have different language, yet our integrity shouldn't damage. Will we make our mother proud, or be with her like the crowd? Yes, in India we have different language like Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, Hindi, etc. But that should not damage our unity. Will we make our mother proud, or be with her like the crowd? The poet is asking, we, the citizens of India, make our motherland proud? How do we add pride to our country, children? To walk in the right path without distorting the unity of our country is an act of pride for our country. By doing heroic deeds and advancing the country on the path of superpower is also the way to make our mother proud. Which path will we choose, children? Absolutely, we should make our motherland proud. Next stanza. Learn how to be kind and love each of our child. We should learn to love every human being. We must love and respect each and every people of our country in the same way. Though we are differentiated by different categories like language, religion, customs, culture, we should have the feeling that we are one. We are Indians. Will we be like that, students? You students are the leaders, architects of our future country. So you have to cultivate equality and brotherhood among yourself from this age. Will you be, children? Hope you will. So here is the book back exercise. Match the following: treat everyone, nation, kind, country. Go through the poem once again and answer to these questions. Find the rhyming words from the poem. So find out the answer and you can write in your homework note. So thank you children. See you all in the next interesting video. Until then, bye from Swati.